One time I had 5 business platinums at the same time, some high annual fees, but it made sense because the sign up bonuses were so big, like 100K points, definitely offsetting. I think at the time it was something like a 595 or 695 annual fee, getting all the benefits as well.
Absolutely. Earlier this year, I picked up 3 business flat cards at 200,000 points per sign up bonus, which even if I have to pay another annual fee, because it was a Biz Gold to Biz Plat upgrade, it's well worth it for that 200,000 American Express points, which even cashed out if I had the Charles Schwab card would be
Another America Loves Math moment.
yeah, like 22,000 or $2,200. Absolutely
Yeah.
makes sense for just that one sign up bonus.
Yes, we're generally in it for the long game. It's nice to keep cards and get ongoing benefits, but some of them, the annual fee is so high. And some people get scared about that, I think, new to miles and points. But I tell people that you're not married to the annual fee, that you might only have the card for the first year, and then you can evaluate in year 2 and you can product change, downgrade, or even cancel the card. How does that go for you and some of the higher annual fee cards?
Right now, I have 5, maybe 6 premium annual fee cards. With the recent platinum, I have 7 premium cards. And with the recent changes to the platinum cards being up at $895 a year, and I've got 3 platinums, it's almost $2,700. It's definitely going to be a choice of downgrading some of them or just getting rid of them outright when the time comes. Because as much as I love my perks in the card, $2,700, even for all those perks, is a bit of a stretch for me at that point.
Yes, and we might get invitations to open yet another one. So if we close one, we've had it for a year or a little bit more than a year, then we could just get the benefits on that other card and just keep it rolling.
Absolutely. And fingers crossed when you log into your Amex account, the pop up comes up that says, upgrade your card.
I've gone from personal gold to personal platinum. I've gone from business gold to business platinum. Occasionally these things happen.
Yes, absolutely. And right now I keep getting get another Blue Business Plus card popping up.
Nice. So lots of things to look forward to. And earlier you mentioned about Frequent Traveler Education Foundation and Frequent Traveler University. We've been working a lot behind the scenes towards the future, some upcoming events, some changes, some special announcements. Can you give us a little bit of a taste of what's to come before the announcements are finalized?
Yeah, so we are working really hard to get the benefits, get some great benefits for someone buying a premium membership and get some really good seminars, some good networking, and a really awesome event coming up in May back in Dallas at our flagship in-person event in Dallas at FTU. Right now, we're working on getting the benefits up and running for the premium membership because not only do you get the discount for the in-person events, but we're also working with different brands to offer something really great.